It's another beautiful day in February 2022. The video I'm about to show is just the installation of the Turkey luxury door. Turkey luxury doors. Turkey luxury doors are one of the Turkey design doors. They are security doors that are used mostly for the entrance of the apartment. And when you are selecting doors, there are some factors that need to be considered when selecting doors. You need to select doors based on durability, quality, and also the beauty. The beauty is one of the major important factors to select door with, and this is why this project we did at Magbo was selected based on beauty, durability, and also about the cost. Let me explain these three factors while how we selected based on these three factors. We selected based on the beauty, and we selected this door based on the cost and the durability. The front view of the apartment were all selected to be Turkey luxury doors because the entrance is the first place most of the visitors are going to be seen when entering a new apartment. This is why we selected Turkey luxury doors for the main entrance and from some of the front view of the main building. And on this building, the back view were all selected to be an almond security doors because of the beauty and durability. But it was not selected on Turkey luxury because the back view of the apartment is the exit, kitchen exit, and some of the room balcony at the upper floor. So when you are selecting door, you don't need to select luxury doors for back view because it's not going to be showing to visitors or to anyone. It's just you need security for that kind of area. Then the big queue, and we have some security house. We are all selected to be 70 mm steel door, Jihan design, very strong door because it doesn't need beauty, it doesn't need and it has to be durable and very, very strong. So these are the factors we considered when we selected this door. And after selection, the installation begins. The installation is what you are looking at now. We selected the luxury door. This is how the Turkey luxury door is installed. The Turkey luxury door is a door that have adjustable frame. It comes with a frame that such that can work with both 6 inches block and 9 inches block. And when you're setting up this kind of door, you need to set it up such that you can get the size of the block of your building. And this is what we did. After setting up the frame, we plumb it, we set it up where if the width is not as appropriate size, we break little of the wall, and at the end we are able to achieve this great project. So guys, just watch this video and see the Turkey luxury door, how it is installed, the almond door, and the Jihan 70 mm steel door. These are some of the factors that are very important when selecting beautiful doors. So guys, thank you.